special marine warning for coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles, Light, Virginia. 20 nautical miles waters from Fenwick Island, Delaware to Currituck Beach, Light, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles.
Warning.
Coastal waters from Cape Charles, Light to Virginia, North Carolina border out to 20 nautical miles until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicating a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots and large hail over Chesapeake Light Tower, moving southeast at 40 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hot Dog area off Virginia Beach around 8:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mariners can expect strong winds to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains.
Oh my god.
Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Showers and thunderstorms can spawn waterspouts. Avoid these dangerous storms and report them to the local county sheriff or Coast Guard. If a waterspout moves on shore, find shelter immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday evening for southeast Maryland and northeast North Carolina and southeastern Virginia.
Oh. Wow.
Severe thunderstorm